Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by अमूल में अब वक्त है वुमेन 62 यानी के 62 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले का। मुंबई महारथी की ओर से आ रही हैं भारतीय मूल की शिल्पी यादव।
दंगल के उस्ताद बने, जीतने आए हैं जीत के जाएंगे, जीतने आए हैं जीत के जाएंगे, दुनिया को अपना ये गल्ला दिखाएंगे।
Dabur Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by अमूल में अब MP योद्धाज की ओर से आ रही हैं अजरबैजान मूल की अलीसे मोनोलोवा।
जो भी आके टकराता है कर देते हैं उसका खात्मा। हर बाजी को खेले अपनी जान पे, MP योद्धा उतरी है।
Sunil, as of now, this is a situation where it could be an equalizer. It could be an equalizer, this bout for MP Yodhas, because they're trailing by one bout. What do you have to say? Where would you put your thoughts on?
In fact, it's going to be a very close bout because Elise Manalova is playing for the first time. She's young. She's got some. She hasn't done anything brilliant in her this thing in the past 6 months. She's here to make a mark. And Shilpi, as you know, is the wife of Narsingh Yadav, and she's making a debut in the 4th season of Pro Wrestling League.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have a debutante in the house, Mumbai Maharathis Shilpi Yadav, 2017 National Championship bronze medal winner. And of course, SAF Games, she won a gold medal in 2016. Now we'd have to see because, of course, we could say that Shilpi has a point to prove because it's her first time. And I think she's, again, going to take advantage of that international platform coming to her doorsteps thanks to Pro Wrestling League. This is the 4th season, ladies and gentlemen, the biggest, the first ever and the one and only league of its kind where under one roof you get to see so many Olympians and Olympic gold medal winners apart from other international wrestlers.
Yeah, right, Joe. As you could see, Shilpi has definitely a point to prove, and she's just sussing her opponent out just for that that one move to get that lead in this round.
This is just the start of the bout. I think both the wrestlers are trying to gauge each other.
Yes, they'll look a little nervous on the screen, and as they move along, they'll get easy and they'll know exactly where to attack. But I must say, her coach, the coach of the foreign wrestler, is a very decorated and a very well acclaimed coach. Let's see where she comes in. Again, makes an attack. Let's see.
Alicia on the attack, and let's see if she can convert. Yes, she did convert. It is a 2-pointer for her efforts.
Shilpi is struggling. Let's see, with only 2 points advantage, Shilpi has to make a comeback sooner.
I think because it's quite a big platform as of now, there are so many lights. It's like a rock concert of wrestling that we get to see. And maybe those are the flashing lights that is intimidating Shilpi.
Certainly, I would say, I would take a step further and call it the Live Aid live concert, not just any other concert, Joe.
Oh, you know your music, Mr. Kalra. Yeah, one of those efforts, I think, for the world that you're doing. In the sports arena, I can see that Pro Wrestling League is also doing its bit, bringing international talent to Indian shores and getting the Indian wrestlers the opportunity to actually compete. But there were rumors that a few Indian wrestlers didn't want to sort of lose in front of the Indian crowd. Is that the mindset?
Not at all. In fact, they look forward to competing with the foreigners because they get in the better techniques and training. Mind you, it's not just a 5-bout phenomena. They train with the foreigners for 3 weeks, day in and day out. So that is something that they learn. In fact, Sakshi took a step forward in saying after the Rio Olympics medal that it was Adeline Gray who helped her set her work ethics in place, her discipline in action. And that's what this place offers, Pro Wrestling League.
MP Yodhas is right now at a comfortable position. Let's see how the next round rolls for these two wrestlers. Shilpi looking a little timid, I think. These archlights are a deterrent for her, looks like.
Absolutely. She's a very
Being
good
modest,
wrestler.
from a modest background, trying to make that international mark for the first time. This is a debutante with us.
And mind you, she's got a pressure of not only of her village and friends and peers, but also her husband who trains her at the Kandivali Sports Complex in Mumbai. Here you could see she's just off color right now. Let's hope.
This is for the information of our viewers. Traditionally, most of the wrestlers do come in from Punjab and Haryana. Haryana more so in the foray, but then Mumbai and Maharashtra also has given us quite
well. There is some history to it, Joe. Kolhapur is supposed to be the place where all the olden wrestlers come from.
Okay.
And the water and the food out there is a legend that if you have that as a wrestler, your body is more immune and is yes.
Okay.
So it's like a shrine which every wrestler does their mud wrestling and comes back. I've seen cases where the biggest wrestlers go and compete there for free just for that place to be. It's like the Lords of Wrestling, you could call. Yes, Kolhapur.
And of course, if we talk about mud wrestling, I think textures in different parts of the country have different output in terms of wrestling results, because that's more of a red clay kind of area where you have that, and here in this part in north, it's much lighter, the soil.
Yes, certainly. It differs, the texture, the color, the the part of it, the goodness of the earth changes accordingly. But the one part which is very prominent is that these guys go out there and come back to mat with the same proficiency.
I believe there's been a legendary wrestler called Shri Balkaude in Nasik.
Yes.
I did an interview there. He's actually not only wrestling, he is also promoting mixed martial arts as a routine for the wrestlers who are able to attack even better. So mixed martial arts is also a kind of a foresight that Mr. Balkaude had.
In fact, if you take a step back, you would see combat sports from not 100 years or 500 years, but from the ancient times of the Greeks. It used to be the most decorated sports in the world. In fact, it is one of the oldest sport.
So gladiator sport, you could call it the gladiator sport of the people.
Certainly.
But then again, Greco-Roman style, Indian style, Iranian style, there are so many styles of wrestling that is there. And then you have the European Union, then you have the Pan American
and the Mongolian form
the Mongolian form,
Iran,
yes.
Mongolia.
Yes,
it goes on to the mixed martial arts, then goes and transcends, different forms and different sizes. But the combat sport is a huge proposition.
Right now in this bout, we saw that Shilpi is trailing by 4 points. Yes, that was a 4-point lead with that very bell. It is Monolova getting that win for MP Yodhas. This is going to be quite a photo finish, looks like, for today's match. Okay, it's time for celebration.
पंगा